effort is so important. It is so important, the effort that you give. My last competition, I was unsuccessful in my attempt, but I consider it my greatest competition. Why, CT, you didn't get it? Because the day before that competition, my doctor looked me in the face and he said, if you go out there and you try to bench press 705 pounds, it's gonna kill you. Your valve is too weak, it'll be too much of a strain, it will explode right there on the stage and you're gonna die in front of all them people. That's my doctor told me that. I have trained my whole life for this. I have devoted my life to this. This is the reason for my existence. This is why I am here. And you asking me if I am going to compete? Of course.
Take advantage of like a minority teacher scholarship. And I know we probably need more minority teachers and more that are more dedicated if they got the type of support and success. So him being an administrator, or you can even an educator or teacher, I encourage us to give them more support. Let's support the teachers because they do a wonderful job, and it's a hard job that they do.
Teachers are truly superheroes, monitoring and adjusting, learning on the fly, building an airplane while it's in the air. They have really mastered this. Another thing that I've learned is that we must check in with one another, and we must really be there for one another to lean on during these times of uncertainty. So we want to be mindful of that, ensuring that we are making sure that our glasses are half full versus half empty, pouring into others, and then recharging our batteries.